uh, the final unit of the strength of materials is columns and struts. Now, consider a long slender beam, vertical beam. If this beam is applied with an axial force, it will resist up to some certain load, and after that load, there is a possibility of bending of this beam or buckling of the beam, bending or buckling of the beam like this. So if this load is increased, so there is a possibility of failure in this particular beam. So this is load and this is buckling. So the load which this beam can resist before buckling is called buckling load. Now, if you consider this, in this beam, there is bending as well as axial load. Bending load as well as axial load. So, we have to write the bending moment equation as well as the axial value of axial load, bending moment as well as axial stress. Bending moment, axial stress, and bending moment and bending stress. So, if these two stresses will be in this beam, then you have to determine the load before the failure of before the buckling occurs. So, critical, B critical. What is the equation for B critical? And these columns are two types. One is free beam, one end fixed, other end free, and another one is one end fixed, other end is roller support. Okay, and a vertical slender beam, both ends fixed, and load is applied. Like that, there are several beam conditions are there, end conditions. These are called end conditions. And for each end condition, you have to determine the critical load for buckling. Critical load for buckling. So in this problem, the dimensions of the beam will be given. Dimensions of beam will be given, and material of the beam will be given, and end conditions of the beam. End conditions of beam. So there are 4 to 5 different end conditions are there. So for example, we can say 4 different end conditions. So we have to derive critical load for each end condition, B critical buckling load, and then solve several problems. So derivation and problem solving. So for each end condition, so you can say you can take 2 classes. You can take 2 classes. So roughly, so 4 different types of end conditions are there. So 8 to 10 classes will be taken, and 1 class you can take assignments. Assignment class you can take, and where you can tutorial. So assignment or tutorial class. Tutorial class will be giving problems to students will be solving, and they will be asking the doubts in the class. And then 1 multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. So this 1 class you can take. So roughly the unit can be completed within 8 to 12 classes, depending upon the availability of lecture hours you can complete this unit within 8 to 10 plus classes. So that is what I would like to discuss in this particular video session, and this is the end of these 5 units which have completed in video sessions, complete the syllabus for strength of materials. Thank you for watching the video.